Dear participants, I hope your studies are going on excellently well. We warmly welcome you in the fourth unit of our certificate course on advanced academic writing for students in English studies. In this unit, you are going to study about academic essay writing as a response to a literary text. The objective of this unit are like this. This unit is designed to help students understand how an academic essay is organized. In other words, it helps students understand how the introduction, the body, and the conclusion sections of an academic essay are logically structured. But before we have a brief introduction of this unit, I would like to ask Mr. Clement that what do we mean exactly by academic essay writing?
What do we mean by academic essay writing? Academic essay writing, as a response to a literary text, is defined as a short piece of writing which tries to demonstrate how a particular theme or idea or concept is constructed in the literary work being analyzed.
Okay, interesting. In this unit, how are we going to discuss the structure of academic essay writing?
Academic essay writing and academic essay have a very defined structure. It has an introduction which comprises a background information or a thesis statement or an objective of the essay. We have supporting argument which comprises a topic sentence, supporting sentences, and a concluding sentence. And we have a conclusion which synthesizes the discussions or summarizes the discussions or consolidate the position taken in the introduction.
Okay, interesting. So in these three parts, the entire essay, argumentative essay writing will be divided and will be discussed here. Will there be any examples for the students to work out?
Yes, there are some examples in the course. So examples of introduction, example of a body, and a conclusion. And we have a task. So the students are required to compare the introduction A and the introduction B, two different topics, and to identify what is wrong with the introduction A.
Okay, very interesting. So, dear participants, your task will be to identify what is wrong with introduction A, and that will help you a lot whether you are making the similar errors or not. So, what will be the exercises at the end of this unit?
So student will have to do two types of exercises. So the first exercise is about multiple choice questions, and the second exercise they will have to rewrite their answer to the short story Click in the first unit, and how literature have shaped me in, by including the introduction, the supporting argument, and the conclusion. This time now they have to write the whole essay, so the whole essay, which comprises the introduction, the body, and the conclusion. And uh, bearing in mind all what we have seen in this course.
Okay, so dear participants, a reminder what is your exercise in this is like multiple choice questions as you have appeared in all the previous units. But at the same time, there is a submission here. And in this submission, you have to rewrite either your emotional response to the short story Click, which you have given earlier and rewritten couple of times, now with the help of introduction, body paragraph, and conclusion, or if you are writing about how literature shaped you, then that rewriting of the submission that you have done in the previous weeks is to be done, but this time it should be having a sense of completeness, like there should be an introduction, there should be the body of the paragraph, and then there should be the conclusion. And don't miss any of the components that we have studied earlier should be incorporated in your final submission. So, dear participants, wish you all the best for a wonderful learning in the fourth unit. Have a happy learning. Thank you, all of you.